Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, today is Sunday, and what better meal to make than some cabbage? So let's get into this cabbage recipe. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start off by chopping up our cabbage. So what I like to do is just chop it in half, and I'm gonna remove this little part right here. Remove that little part. Let's get in there. Uh-oh, boom, just like that. How I did that, Okay, so next all we're gonna do, cut it like that. I'm just gonna cut it in sections like that. And boom, cut it like this. Bam. That's all you gotta do, guys. And continue the process until you have all your cabbage chopped up. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is start frying up my beef sausage. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my pan. Then I'm gonna add in my beef smoked sausage. And we're just gonna let this cook, you know, get a little brown, get a little charred. That way that flavor will be off in the pan when we start adding in the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so now that my sausage is in the pan and it has cooked a little bit, I'm gonna add my onions and bell pepper to the mix. And so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna let the onion and bell pepper cook down for a few minutes. Okay guys, like always, it's all about building flavor with me. So I'm gonna add in some Worcestershire sauce. Get a mix. And you wanna know what? This is another one of those great comfort meals. One of those great, quick and easy Sunday dinner meals. Now another thing you can do is also add either shrimp or bacon to your cabbage. Those are also some great additions. I'm just working with what I had today, okay? So I didn't have any bacon. So I'm just working with some beef sausage right here, bell pepper and onion. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna start adding in some of my cabbage. And we're just gonna mix it up, let it cook for a few minutes. And I'm not gonna start seasoning just yet. I'm gonna wait until the cabbage is halfway done before I start seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna add the rest of my cabbage. Okay, like guys, I'm old school, so you know how your mama used to do? Add a little oil on top of that cabbage. Okay, you know they used to add a little oil on top of that cabbage. Mix it on up some more. Now we're gonna add a little bit of water. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes. And after that, we're gonna season it up some more. Then we're gonna have us some good cabbage. All right, guys, so now that my cabbage is halfway finished, well, almost finished cooking, I'm gonna start adding in the rest of my seasonings. So to the pan, I'm gonna add my garlic. Now the reason I'm adding my garlic in at the last moment, because I don't want my garlic to burn. I'm gonna add in some low sodium Creole seasoning. I'm gonna add in some pepper. Add in a little bit of pepper flakes, because yes, this cabbage will be a little spicy. I'm gonna add in some garlic powder. Some onion powder. And we're gonna add in a little bit of chicken bouillon. And as you know, I'm not adding any salt to this because chicken bouillon, that is enough salt for this recipe. Okay, we're just gonna give that a mix. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it finish cooking for about another 10 to 15 minutes and we're gonna be ready to eat. Okay guys, so as you can see, the cabbage is finished cooking. And guys, it is looking delicious. I can't wait to dig into this. Like always, the only thing left to do is to plate it up. Okay guys, as you've seen, that cabbage is looking phenomenal. I'm ready to dig into it, so let's get to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and plate it up. Okay guys, let's dig straight into it. I gotta go in for a second bite, I'm sorry. Okay guys, so cabbage is at the consistency that I like. The spice level is at the consistency that I like. Now, you can omit the pepper flakes if you want, if you don't want that little added extra spice to it. But the spice that this cabbage is giving off is perfect. The flavors are hitting. That beef sausage, the chicken bouillon, the onions, onion powder, everything is just married together perfectly. This is a great comfort food, Sunday dinner, side, however you want to eat it. It's gonna be perfect. Ingredients are in the description. And guys, like I always say, if you love the food vibe that I did today, like, subscribe to the channel, share it, let your friends know about it. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.